high-tempo, free-flowing and direct. Leverkusen remain unbeaten in the Bundesliga this season, with Leon Bailey in a starring role up front.
Bailey! Absolutely fantastic!
5 goals in his last 5 competitive outings. Bailey is back in the limelight.
My dream is to leave a legacy for the younger generation, also for my country, Jamaica.
Among the league's fastest players and a defender's nightmare one-on-one, the 23-year-old wide attacker fills a key role in the system of coach Peter Bosz.
It's perfect for me because he likes my style of playing. I like his style of how he wants us to play, and I think it's going to help the team a lot, and also it's going to help the way how I play, and my qualities can come out more.
Blessed with an abundance of natural talent, Bailey shone in his first full season with Leverkusen 3 years ago.
Bailey! Out of this world! Bailey has scored again! It's incredible!
But things didn't go so smoothly thereafter. His on-field form dipped for quite some time, not helped by injuries and the odd unnecessary red card.
Everything for me is a learning process, and I think I learn from my mistakes, and I just try to use them as an advantage to make myself better.
It was far from his first encounter with adversity. Growing up in Kingston's socially deprived Cassava Peace neighbourhood, Leon had one particularly traumatic experience, as his adoptive father recalls.
Leon experienced seeing 8 people get shot in front of him at a tender age, at about 7 or 8 years old. And it affected so much about him, he forgot how to read. That's how damaging it was for him.
He recovered from it and found his calling in football, the early passion that would become his profession.
I want to become, in the future, one of the best players in the world. I want my name to live on like so much other legends.
Becoming a father himself over the summer also seems to have helped revitalise his on-field fortunes. High-speed football made in Jamaica. Bailey's compatriot and friend Usain Bolt is even faster. He's become something of a mentor as well.
He's teach me a lot of things in life. Because he's experienced, of course, he's a legend, and to be able to have somebody like that around you, to be able to share their experience with you, it's such a good feeling.
The world's 100 and 200 metres record holder is a global sporting icon. With that standard in his sights, Leon Bailey can go much further yet with Leverkusen.